Okay. Hey, today's video is a hack job on how to get your trampoline level to the ground that you have either in your backyard or front yard without tearing up all this laying gravel, whatever. I've watched a bunch of different videos, but my problem is that my backyard here has a gradual slant. Okay, I have no flat surface besides the pool area to put this in. So I came up with an idea to make leg extensions. All right, originally I was thinking about building a base for my shed. This is the flattest part that I have in my backyard. It's still not even that flat. So, you know, obviously I did that, worked out well. But you know, this is a 12-foot trampoline. I think this company makes either a 12 or a 14, so it doesn't really matter even if it was bigger. But I came up with this idea of building extended feet for each leg. Okay, I do have a little board here. I am going to apply some stakes that will hold it all together. I've had my kids jump on it for the last couple days. The thing doesn't even move, but while they were jumping, I just needed to insert this one to be a reminder. I'm going to pull that one off and add, you know, cut that off and add it because that's what helped. So again, I wish that I would have started this video earlier, but I think you'll get the concept here. You know, this is about 3 foot across, right? One crazy thing is that these bars kind of come down and up, as you can see right there, and then down. So only about this much really touches the ground. So I came up with this idea of buying, I don't know, $30 worth of 2x4 by 9s. And I have a 2x4 a little past 3 foot on one side and the other. And then of course the extra that comes off of your 3 foot section I used for where the legs would be. And then down here, there's only one here, but there's 3 here. You know, that counteracts, I guess, the leveling system. And along with that, just so the poles wouldn't slide, I just added these little pieces here where there's one here and here. It cannot slide out either way. And then the last ingredient that I'm going to do is drill a hole down through this and add these like long stakes that I have. I think they're, I don't know, maybe about 1.5 feet long. So the issue that I have also is that, you know, a trampoline only lasts in your backyard for about maybe, well, depending on how old your kids are, but I know that this someday is going to be gone. So I didn't want to permanently kill my grass, nor did I want to disrupt, I guess, you know, the ground by adding gravel, you know, mounting it up, balancing it all out or flattening it. So this, I think, is a quick hack way to do it. And so far my kids have been jumping on it. Oh, another thing too, I have underground sprinklers. So, you know, I got sprinkler heads that shoot out all over the place around here. And again, that's something I didn't want to futz with. But yeah, so I don't know if you can get a better idea on how to do this, but it's very simple. You know, again, 3 foot, 3 foot, maybe 3 foot 1 inch, I can't remember. And if you buy a 2x4 by 9 feet, you'll have a little extra when you cut them for the base itself for the legs. So my kids have been jumping on it, pretty dang level. It'll work. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.